Hello everybody and welcome to our how-to guide on decorating a spruce ring. So do watch out for our previous how-to guides on mossing and adding the foliage to the moss ring. Today I'm going to show you how to decorate. So we have a selection of items here. We've got some orange slices, apple slices, some cones, some cinnamon, and I've made up a little bow ready to use as well from natural wired Hessian. So just to give you a little bit of an indication on how to wire the items, with the orange slices I'm just piercing through the flesh and using the rind to anchor the wire together. Just a double leg mount, and that's all there is to it. I've put two together so that you can actually flip them open so that they sit nicely once you put them into the wreath. So that's your orange slices. And then with your cone, very, very simple, just thread the wire around the base of the cone, and then again a double leg mount, two ends together, and that's all there is to it. So I'm now going to add my wired items to the mossed and blue spruced wreath. So enjoy. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed our how-to guide on decorating your spruce wreath. Obviously this is just my interpretation. Everybody has their own taste and their own design ideas. So do visit our website for lots of accessories, different bits and pieces that you can use to create a wreath that's unique to you and obviously in your taste. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for lots more tips, hints and inspirational ideas for this festive period. And we look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Bye for now.